Hi everyone, Lynn from Cavy Central. This is Donut. Donut is how old?
He's 3.
Oh, he's 3.
Yeah.
He's a D-sex male. He's come for a little quick check. He will have the same issues in the sense that we'll clean his ears the same way. When you have issues with guinea pigs like slight fungal or you're going to treat for mites, you always treat all of them. So without question, that's what we'll do now. What I'd like to point out with Donut, I haven't actually held him before until this second, but he was on the ground. What I'd like to point out is his coat, and you'll notice these little wispy bits of coat at his back area. Ooh. Ooh, it sounds like the wind took something out. Yeah. Very windy here today. So have a look at the wispiness of his coat. There's like little fine hairs sitting around. That's indicative of mites and fungal.
Okay.
Now I would say it's more fungal because we've examined the other 2 piggies on board, but again, you're going to mite treat them more. So so when we start to look up, we'll look backwards up through this coat, and he won't like it.
Yeah, no.
As much. That's okay, but we're just going to have a little look at what's going on here. Have a creep down. Commonly this area here and down around the butt are very, very common area. I know. Does that tickle? Yeah, it's complaining. Big time. Just going to have a little look in there.
Oh yeah.
See what we can see.
I can see.
Can you see?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's hard to see because it's
the same
colour, but I can see the darker.
Yes. Yep. And as we go back, it's just a little bit of mild fungal. That's all that's causing it. So it's just fungal that we're dealing with. And if we go look up, it's getting what we call the V pattern, which is through down here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's known as the V pattern, but it's just starting to form.
Yeah.
Down through here. So I would treat for both.
Yeah.
Mites and do the antifungal wash, which will be Malassezia up through this area here. I know, sweetie pie. I'm sorry, I found the patch. It's in there.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah.
There. So he's got a few bits where it's coming on. Like if we follow this line, see how there's a V here?
Yeah.
Like a distinct V.
Yeah.
If we follow that to the root hair base, we can actually find. I know. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. So get off. I know I'm disturbing it. I know I am. It's such a problem. Let's have a little look down here. More little boy bits as well.
Oh, another present.
Another present. Oh, my hair. Hold on. Here we go. See you, little fella. We're just going to have a quick look. More boy bits. And see. It's got some. This is smegma, and it just literally comes off like that. Which is great. Just get that off there. Well done. Okay. I'm just going to pop this all the way out and just see what's going on there. You can see another little sperm rod there. So we're just going to clean that out. In there. Yep.
Gosh, I'm gonna have so much trouble doing this at home.
No, look, it's it gets easier. The sperm rod's it's really just checking that everything is fine, that it's cleared. They get so hard and firm that they can actually block the area.
Yeah.
And I'm all for boys. I'm just putting natural water on there at the moment. I'm all for leaving boys to do their thing.
Yeah.
Because the more you interfere with what's going on down there, just check to see it's fine.
Yeah. And
then leave alone. In this case, I'm just going to take a little look at that sperm rod. See if it's really solid. See, little guy. There we go. He says, no, stop messing with my little private bits. There we go.
Almost there.
Yes, good boy. Yeah, and that's really quite soft again, so he's able to get that out, which is great. I'll just see if I can get that moved out with my hand. It's really still soft and great. So he's doing fine.
So you worry about it kind of when it's hard?
Yes, and what you'll find is that there's often, there can be a blue tinge around there where circulation's becoming a problem.
Yeah.
You can notice swelling, you can notice the smegma build-up.
Yeah.
It starts to get other things in their fur, like he's a short-haired guinea pig, but with your longer-haired guinea pigs, you can actually get hair wrapped right around the shaft, which is like a tourniquet, and that's the sort of thing we check for.
Yeah.
just to make sure that that's not happening, because
Yeah.
smegma is really quite sticky,
Yeah.
and with that in mind, it literally will, pick up and adhere to anything. So we just want to make sure that's not happening. I know. It's a little cutie. Yeah.
He was my first ever guinea pig.
Was he?
Yeah.
Now notice there's a little patch here.
Yeah.
It's a little bit hairless. I'm just using the Q-tip
Yeah.
with the tiniest bit of Malaseb to wipe over
Yeah.
that area. So if you ever get any patches like on the face, nose, around the eye,
Yeah.
you can do exactly the same thing. And it's easy to treat them like this. Keeping an eye on their weight is a really good indicator for everything going on. Yes, you're good. You're complaining lots, so
Yes.
let's take you back. You're very, very cute. You are. Hello.
Yeah.
So he's very cute.